This area of the town is so cute. It's not busy at all. It's just really chill. After landing and settling down, we went looking for food. We found an interesting cafe that was crypto themed, so we had to check it out. It was very amusing and the food was actually good. Check out this avocado salad. We just moved inside because it was raining. It looks very good. Yeah. The plan was to hike to a nice viewpoint, but it is super foggy, misty, and windy when we got there. And to be honest, like, we kind of sort of expected it because this is not really the season. The weather looks pretty crazy right now. So we are just going to scrap that plan and drive to other viewpoints and see if we can see anything. Oh, okay. Wow, that's a really strange deal. This Toyota Yaris is not made for dirt roads. Maybe we're not going to make this other viewpoint either. We finally made it to a viewpoint we can actually see. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that. So I finally got some Portuguese desserts that I've been wanting to try out. I have here, this thing is called bolo de Berlim. I think like a fried donut. They slice it open like a sandwich and then just put a bunch of custard in it. I'm excited to try it with the custard. This is really good actually. The donut is very fresh. Well, this is just a very sugary sweet snack, but it's really good. I'm gonna just take some custard. Yeah. I like the custard a lot. The custard by itself is not that sweet, but the donut is covered in sugar, so it kind of balances out. Okay, on to the next one. This one is, I don't know how to say in Portuguese, but it translates to napkin cake. And as you can see, it is a piece of cake that they kind of fold it in half, like a sandwich or a napkin. And I believe it is the same type of custard. I think I wish they had more custard, but the cake itself is really good. It's very light and fluffy. I really like this a lot. The third thing I got is this tart. I actually don't know what it is, but I saw it in the case and it was next to the Portuguese egg tart, but it's not a Portuguese egg tart. It kind of makes me think that it's kind of coconutty, but I could be wrong. So it's really dense in the middle. I think it's made of cassava. I like this a lot. They're all really good. This is fresh cheese made probably in this restaurant, definitely on this island. It's not funky at all. It's very refreshing. The strangest thing, there are a bunch of rooster here on our trail. We're pretty high up too. What are they doing here? There's a rooster on our path walking towards us. What should we do? Oh my goodness, it is coming. There's so many of them here. On our way down from the hike, we took a different path and walked through what looked like an abandoned village. Turned out it was a village that was settled to avoid floods. During the 50s and 60s, the population dwindled due to immigration to the US and Canada and the lack of schooling for children in the area. Now some of the houses are restored for nature tourism. Look, there's a cat. I'm glad we took a different trail back. We're heading to a pineapple farm. So we got some pineapple ice cream and pineapple pastry and juice. And then they gave us the alcohol and jam as complimentary. Not really an alcohol person. So good. Very refreshing. The cone quality looks good too. We are at a tea farm, and this is also where they process the tea as well. Right now they are not in season, so the machines are not running. Founded in 1883, this is the oldest tea factory in Europe that's still in operation. The view is amazing, and there's also a little cafe inside. After our stop, we continued driving along the coast and stopped by this gorgeous viewpoint.